excited today to do an unboxing of a surprise box. Thank you to Garrain for going above and beyond, like so many things with everything in life. So I joined this. Yes, I run challenges. Yes, I run masterminds, like all these different things, right? That you see me post about. But I also need accountability, just because I lost 55 pounds over now, right at 5 years ago. Yeah, wow, and kept it off. But for years before that, I had habits that were not so great. And so I can often feel myself if I start to slightly deviate and know that about myself with different habits. So there's different areas in my life that I make sure I bake in accountability, whether it's being part of a 21-day challenge like with Garrain and an amazing community, or whether it's doing a fitness show, which I typically do fitness shows with bodybuilding and bikini at least once a year. And those, for those of you that don't know, the background behind it, the specifics, it's very, very strict. And I'm planning on doing a show this year in October. So being in a challenge with Garrain, and of course using Herbalife, if you haven't tuned in or heard me talk about Herbalife, I talk about it all the time, is a great way for me to stay accountable and keep refining my goals, and then testing my own workouts, and then also contributing back into the group, into the community on Facebook, on Instagram, as well as ideas for my own programs and challenges as well. So, disclaimer, anyone that uses Herbalife loses a half a pound to a pound a week with a healthy, active lifestyle. Let's make sure we get that in. And this was a total surprise because I was just posting in the group, totally being me, just contributing, what I'm eating, contributing value in my workouts, contributing videos, encouragement for the group. And I had seen in a previous challenge, and I ended up winning third place, like in one of the weeks of consistency. And for me, I was like, wow, this is super cool, and this is great, just to simply have the recognition and the acknowledgement, right? Because I believe that inherently, when we're born or 1, 2, 3 years old, all of us want to do a great job. All of us want to be recognized and loved and appreciated. But different things happen in our lives that often lead to us creating different stories in our minds. And I find myself more and more being that 1, 2, 3, 4-year-old Katrina again. So in this challenge, which is my second one now in 2019, I, in the first week, got second place in the top 3 for consistency in the first week. And again, I was just so excited. And then last time I got surprised with a beverage mix, or not a beverage mix, sorry, a beauty booster, and which is collagen infused strawberry lemonade, tastes amazing. And this time I got second place and was just super excited about the recognition, right, and the acknowledgement. And then I get a message from Garrain that I looked at, I think later that day or 2 days later, and he's like, hey, you get a prize for this. And I'm like, oh my God, thank you so much. It was such a great highlight, so much appreciation for going above and beyond. So I know I gave you guys a lot of background and insight to share about that, but I really wanted you to kind of get the background behind the value, behind the challenge, behind also, just everyone that I've interfaced with at certain leadership, aspects, and or just certain hearts, right? Because all of us can have an amazing heart at any level. Within the Herbalife community, within the Herba Heroes community is, people just pouring out, giving above and beyond, whether it's on our team calls, whether it's in this challenge, whether it's at an event, whatever it is. So what did I get in this unboxing? And what makes it extra special? So what I got, you guys, is some of my favorites, beverage mix, which you've definitely probably seen or heard me talk about. 15 grams of pure protein and flavored like Kool-Aid, so like adult Kool-Aid, and then protein bites. So protein bites, and I'm gonna adjust this camera in a second. So protein bites, you guys, oh my God. Okay, perfect. So protein bites. freaking incredible. Like, you feel like you're eating something that you're not supposed to be eating because it tastes that amazing. And literally it's in the new protein bites, which is fun-sized treats. There's peach yogurt, there's salted caramel, there's vanilla raspberry, and vanilla blueberry. Like, guys, and these are 2 pieces, literally, and they're so cute, they're so tiny. 2 pieces are 8 grams of protein. So super easy snack if you don't have something handy, right? So let me show you how small they are and what they look like. Let me grab a pen real quick to bust open this box. It's like a sticker on it, see? They're so cute and little, right? So these are specifically the crunchy vanilla raspberry that I'm holding. And close this box because it's in my way. See? So thank you again so much, Garrain. So appreciate it. And then you guys, if you want to